Jayla. Hi guys. Today we're going to see some dogs.
Yeah. You guys are gonna go home with the dog?
Yep.
Ooh, I don't know. Are you guys gonna clean up all the poop?
Yeah.
That's a lie. That is a lie. I'm the pooper scooper of the family. I'm the pooper scooper.
He tells no lies. So we're gonna see how this goes. We seen an ad on Facebook, and adoptions are free today, so there's no fee. So we're gonna go check it out and see. So we're here.
Yes.
So we're going now. Let's see. Look at you. You look scared. Adoptable dogs this way. Let's go. Let's go. Go, Cece. Go, Jayla. Let's go look. How cute. How cute. I know he looks like he might bite though. I don't know. Oh, look at those. Oh, look at.
I wouldn't be able to separate.
You'd have to get them both, right? He's like, I can't separate them. They're so cute.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
Okay, look at him. Or is it a her? Male, okay. Okay. Cute. Oh, look at him. She's cute. Look at you. Aww. Can't touch him. Her name is Flo. She's 3 months, 22 pounds. All right, did you guys see any in there you like?
Yeah.
What color?
I like the fur.
What color did you like?
I like the two white ones. I like
Oh,
the
look
white
at there's dogs over here, but I think these are like bigger dogs. Yeah, see he's sleeping. So these are a little bit bigger dogs. Go, go. Oh wow, he has one blue eye and one black eye. He's cute. Oh yeah, he's not. Like I'm not having it. He's cute. Yeah, he's tired. Aw, you're cute too. Aw. Oh, he's cute. Look at this little fluffy guy.
Hi, cutie.
So we came out because Jayla's scared. They're locked up, baby. They can't get you.
I'm not scared. I'm brave.
I know, baby. Okay, so we found a dog that we're interested in. We are gonna visit with her and see if the girls like her. So we didn't find a match at this animal shelter, but we are gonna go look
I
at.
have one in mine.
But we couldn't get her.
Watch your step.
I think it was a brother and sister, and we didn't want to separate them. So Daddy didn't want to separate them.
I don't believe in separating puppies at all. And I guess there's a lot that we don't know, like they get separation anxiety and all kind of stuff. Yeah, can't do it.
So we're at our second animal shelter.
Third.
Let's see. Oh, third. Let's see what happens. Jayla, which puppy are we going to see today? Well, she's 2 years old.
Mirabelle.
Mirabelle? You're gonna have to rename her though. Jayla's a little scared right now.
He is holding
Of
my
all the
shirt.
dogs are barking. Oh, he's up. We're about to meet a little brown chihuahua named. Yeah, but we're gonna rename him though. So let's see. Go give it to her.
She doesn't want that one either.
Looking at this other dog. We're trying to see how she interacts. Look at her stand. So I think you guys agreed on Shyla.
Look at it.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You like her?
Yes.
Go pet her, girl. Pet her. She's cute. Come on, go. She follows directions when you tell her, come on, girl. Oh, we ended up getting a dog. What's her name?
Shyla!
You like her?
Yes.
Shyla.
Shyla!
Cute.
And we brought her home and she's getting her first bath.
Yeah?
Yeah!
How do you feel about having a dog now?
Excited to play with her.
Yeah. What about you, Cece?
Excited to play with her. I'm so nervous, but I still want to play with her.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nervous. We got to get her an actual bed today, but here is Shyla. She's a pretty brown, like mocha chocolate color. Do you like her?
It's the weekend!
And where are we headed right now?
David Buster's!
David Buster's right now.
Yeah!
We're celebrating Uncle Bubba's birthday.
Under 100 is always good.
Oh yeah, under 100, yeah. Thank you. All right, we're heading in. It's pretty busy in here.
Guess who's here? My cousin Keith!
Cece, what are you waiting for?
Before we go play!
And here's the birthday boy. Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Hey. Go, Jayla. Jayla's going. Jayla's going. She's doing pretty good. She's doing pretty good. Okay, okay, Jayla. Oh, up the ramp. Let's go. Cece is a unicorn. Playing with Dad. Oh, look at that unicorn go. Oh, Jayla's going off too. You're doing a good job, Jayla. Let's go, unicorn Cece. Cece's trying to watch her sister. Oh, she got third. Oh, Cece got first. Yay. Third and Cece got first. Oh, they're doing Hungry Hippo. I don't think Cece's working. So they grab balls, and you gotta turn them all blue. Good job. Oh, you guys gotta do all those. It's kitty ball throw. We're not calling it pong. We got Dad getting in on this one. Looks real familiar.
I know a thing or two about it.
Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Get all the balls.
We got Nana and Granny. Oh, Cece got a strike. Yay. Do it again, Cece. All right, Jayla's going.
That's good. That's good.
Oh, good job. Let's go. Good job. Oh, Cece's spinning it. Oh, it's right there. $70. $70, that's good. That's good. Jayla, you got 70 tickets. Oh, good job. Good job. Throw it higher, Cece. Throw it higher. Okay, Z, I see you, Z. Okay, okay. She's throwing them. First, they're doing the human crane. So he's gonna be a crane. He's gonna have to grab one of these prizes. So we'll see. Hold on to it. That's a grab. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. You got a cat. Hold on to it, Lee.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yes, we got a cat. Good job, Lee. All right, Cece, next. Are you excited, Cece? Let's give her advice.
What you gonna get, Cece?
Nana's excited.
What you gonna get, Cece? A black cat? She want a black cat.
Oh, my baby. All right. Back up, Jayla. Back up. Jayla's excited. Her sister's going. All right. All right, you're going up. Cece goes. Oh, here goes Jayla. Say hi. Here goes Jayla. You look nervous. Oh, she's going up. She's going up. Okay, I gotta go get a better angle. Let's see.
There she goes.
Ah, here goes Jayla.
You gotta hold on tight.
Oh. Oh, she's going down. Grab it, Jayla. She's holding on to it tight, too. Dad's yelling, hold on for your life. Oh, she's coming back up. You're funny. She got one. Ah, there she goes. Oh, she's coming down. She is coming. Jayla, thumbs up or thumbs down? Good job. Oh, she said to the side. Good job. All right, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. Oh, that looks like a shark. Roll it, 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 roll it. Oh, you got a shark, girl. I think you got a shark. Good job. Cece. Keep rolling it. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Keep going, Cece. Keep rolling it. Oh, good job. Come on, Z. Come on, Z. You got to tap it. Good job.
Look, big tuna.
Okay, good job. Good job, Z. Oh, Cece's running. Oh, she's in first. Good job. Jayla's doing. Oh, she's throwing it. Press the red and green. Oh, we got Z and Bubba on the shoot game. Uncle Bubba and Z. Oh, that's all right. It's on Z and Jayla. It's on both of y'all. All right, let's go. It's on Z and Jayla. Oh, there's a lot of them. Shoot, guys! Shoot them! Shoot them! Shoot them! Good job. Ah, Jayla's out. Oh, Jayla's back in. Oh, they're both back in. Oh, good job, guys. You have to go get the card from Dad. By the motorcycle. Go run, hurry up.
I got the card.
Oh, the big guy's back. Let's go, Z. The big guy's back. Let's see if I can get you back in. Oh, you're back in. Hit it, hit it, hit it.
Wait.
Hold on, Cece. Oh! 20. Good job, Mama. Excited. Cece and Dad. Bubba against Nana. Nana against Uncle Bubba. Okay, okay. And Dad against Cece. Hey. Go, Cece. Hit it, baby. Hit it. And Uncle Bubba. Oh, Bubba's killing it. How do you keep getting yourself out? Okay. Nana got a little game. She got a little game. Okay, okay. 4-4. Dad and Cece. Go, Cece.
Oh, okay. She scored. And she's trying to score on me. Look at this.
It's one of my childhood games.
She's winning too.
That's it. 5-7. He cheated. 76. Okay, cool. It's prize time. 1,444. Let's go. Let's see what you guys are gonna get. What you guys get so far?
I got this. I got this.
Some
I got
teeth.
this. And
And
a got
and
this.
what you got, Z?
And
Some
I got
teeth,
this.
and you're
I'm
gonna
gonna
get
get
teeth.
one. Woo!
And what did you get, Cece?
I got this. I got
Ball.
this.
Okay, and some teeth. Okay. The rest we cash out and fund it.